If you think all Greenworks lawn mowers are basically the same, think again. In this video, we're reviewing the 5 best Greenworks lawn mowers of 2025, from ultralight 40V push mowers to high-powered 80V cordless beasts. We've personally reviewed each of these Greenworks lawn mowers across different yard sizes, grass types, and slopes. So whether you're looking for self-propelled convenience, long battery life, or a full 48V, 60V, 80V Greenworks ecosystem, there's something here for everyone. I'll even reveal our #1 pick that stands out for 2025, and it might surprise you. So let's stop guessing and get into our top 5 Greenworks lawnmower reviews, showing you exactly which models deliver power, efficiency, and real-world performance for every kind of lawn. Kicking off at number 5, the Greenworks 60V 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawnmower is a powerhouse that balances raw cutting performance and user-friendly convenience. One of the first things I noticed while testing it across thick summer grass and slopes was how the rear-wheel drive self-propelled system genuinely makes mowing easier. Unlike older models where you fight the mower uphill, this one actively helps maintain forward momentum, reducing fatigue, especially on longer lawns. The brushless motor impressed me because it maintains consistent torque even on stubborn patches of tall grass without bogging down or stuttering. I also experimented with mowing wet grass after a morning rain, and this mower powered through surprisingly well, proving it's a reliable choice in real-world 2025 lawn conditions. A feature that stands out is the LED headlights. I tested them during an evening mow, and they clearly illuminate the edges and corners of the lawn, which is rare for most cordless mowers. Coupled with the 4-in-1 versatility, mulch, bag, side discharge, and turbo leaf pickup, it adapts to a variety of yard care needs. I even used the turbo leaf pickup feature to clean up fallen leaves mixed with thick grass, saving me hours of manual raking. The dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries provide solid runtime for medium-sized lawns, and the rapid dual-port charger ensures you're back in action quickly, which is essential for larger yards. Being part of the Greenworks 60V ecosystem with over 75 compatible tools adds long-term value. For anyone in 2025 wanting a quiet, eco-friendly, maintenance-free, and versatile mower that feels like it's actually helping you mow, this is a reliable choice. At number 4, the Greenworks 48V high-performance yard tool combo is not just a mower review, it's a review of an entire yard tool kit. This combo includes a 21-inch self-propelled mower, 12-inch trimmer, and leaf blower, and it's perfect for anyone in 2025 who wants a complete cordless yard solution. The mower itself is powerful and stable thanks to dual 24V batteries providing 48V of power. I tested it on steep inclines and uneven patches of thick grass, and it never faltered. The brushless motor delivers strong torque while keeping noise levels lower than gas mowers, which is great if you prefer peaceful mornings or evenings. The included 12-inch trimmer features a torque drive system that gives about 30% more cutting power than standard 24V trimmers, which made edging along flower beds and around shrubs precise and effortless. The leaf blower outputs 320 CFM at 90 miles per hour, which blew away clippings and debris in seconds. I was genuinely impressed by the speed and efficiency. What I personally valued during this review was how ergonomic and comfortable the tools are to use. Push-button start, adjustable handles, collapsible storage, and vertical storage capability made the entire combo easy to handle and store, saving valuable garage space. Having multiple batteries meant I could swap between mower, trimmer, and blower without interruptions. This Greenworks 48V combo is not just convenient, it's a long-term investment in a cordless ecosystem for 2025, offering power, reliability, and efficiency for a variety of yard maintenance tasks. It's ideal for homeowners who want to replace multiple gas-powered tools with a single, flexible system. Number 3 on our list is the Greenworks 80V 21-inch brushless cordless push mower, which is the high-performance push mower for larger lawns and more demanding conditions. In my hands-on testing, the first thing I noticed was the smooth, consistent power delivery. The brushless motor keeps torque high even on overgrown or uneven patches, which makes a huge difference compared to standard 60V or 40V mowers. Though the mower weighs 75 pounds, it's surprisingly easy to maneuver across medium to large lawns. The 21-inch steel deck reduces the number of passes needed to mow an area, saving time and effort. I appreciated the 3-in-1 system, mulch, rear bag, and side discharge because switching modes mid-lawn is smooth, which comes in handy when dealing with different grass types or yard areas.
The 7-position height adjustment lever is easy to use and precise, allowing you to adapt instantly from freshly mowed grass to taller or patchy areas without stopping. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides roughly 60 minutes of runtime, which I found realistic, even on thicker, uneven lawns. And the push-button start makes operation straightforward. During testing, I also realized how much value comes from the ecosystem compatibility. This 80V mower works with over 75 Greenworks tools, meaning your battery investment can power multiple yard tools, making it a practical, forward-thinking choice for 2025 homeowners who want long-term versatility and convenience. At number 2, the Greenworks 40V 21-inch brushless cordless self-propelled mower impressed me with its ease of use, efficiency, and adaptability. The rear-wheel drive self-propelled system provides a noticeable boost, especially on slopes or uneven terrain. It really feels like the mower is assisting your push rather than resisting it. The 21-inch steel deck cuts quickly and evenly, reducing the number of passes needed to mow, while the brushless motor keeps operation quiet and smooth. I particularly like the 3-in-1 cutting system, mulching some areas, bagging others, and side discharging where needed, which makes the mower extremely flexible depending on your lawn conditions. The single-lever 7-position height adjustment allows you to change cut height mid-mow without fuss. Vertical storage is another feature I appreciated during testing. It saves around 70% of space, which is a huge benefit for smaller garages. The 5.0 amp-hour battery provides roughly 45 minutes of runtime, which I found sufficient for most medium-sized lawns. From personal experience, this mower is maintenance-free, quiet, and easy to operate. It's perfect for homeowners in 2025 looking for cordless convenience without sacrificing cutting power, making it a standout choice for a reliable, low-effort mowing experience. Finally, our number 1 pick in the 2025 Greenworks Lawnmower Review is the Greenworks 40V 16-inch ultralight push mower, which I found exceptionally practical, surprisingly powerful, and effortless to use. Its lightweight design, at just 37.5 pounds, makes maneuvering around tight spaces, garden beds, and corners almost effortless. Despite the smaller 16-inch cutting deck, it delivers impressive gas-like performance for small to medium yards up to half an acre. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides 45 minutes of continuous runtime, and a 2-hour rapid charger ensures you're ready for a second pass if necessary. I found the Smart Cut adjustment system with 5 positions extremely convenient. It adapts to all types of grass, from soft fescue to taller patches, without requiring guesswork. The 2-in-1 mulching and rear bagging system stood out during testing. Mulching spreads nutrients back into the lawn, while bagging keeps the yard neat and saves cleanup time. Its whisper-quiet operation under 75 dB makes early morning or late evening mowing painless. Being fully compatible with over 75 Greenworks 40V tools, this mower acts as an entry point into a complete 2025-ready cordless ecosystem, making it a smart investment beyond just lawn care. For anyone prioritizing ease of use, lightweight design, low-maintenance convenience, and reliable performance, this ultralight 16-inch mower is hands down the best Greenworks mower in 2025. Conclusion: this hands-on review of the 5 best Greenworks lawnmowers in 2025 shows that there's a perfect mower for every yard and homeowner. From ultralight push convenience to high-powered 80V torque, self-propelled efficiency, and all-in-one yard tool combos, each mower brings unique advantages, practical usability, and eco-friendly performance. Whether your focus is comfort, cutting power, battery efficiency, or full ecosystem integration, this 2025 Greenworks Mower Review Guide gives you the real-world insights, personal observations, and practical tips to confidently pick the right mower for your yard without guessing.